last one.
I'm Roza Kazakbaeva. I am ESL faculty at UCA. Originally, I am from Kazakhstan. Before coming to Narin, I lived in Bishkek and Almaty. These are big cities, right? And when I come to Narin, we see the difference. You are aware of these challenges, but seeing those challenges with your own eyes, it affects you a lot. Here in Central Asia, unfortunately, mountains are still our challenges, and we hope that through education, through universities like UCA, we will make our challenge one day to become our assets.
Your thesis should be grammatically.
In our activities, we have role play, and we ask them, yes, there is a problem. Can you think about the solutions? Through our robust curriculum, we are fostering critical thinking, creativity, and unrestrained inquiry. Our students will become our ambassadors and helps us to attract the best students from Central Asia. And I think one day, it's my hope, maybe it's ambitious hope, it will become a Harvard of Central Asia.